Viewers, in this video I will share with you how to troubleshoot your TV remote control if it is suddenly stop working and showing some problem when you touch the buttons or something on off and it is not working. I'm trying and nothing is happening because the battery cell inside are new, so that's why there is no chance that battery cells are weak. So I have found some solution, temporary solution, because now already midnight and so there is no any shop open right now. I cannot buy another one or something, so I try to solve this problem and let's see what happens. So let's move. I will dismantle this remote control and let's see. So I dismantle it now. You will see the circuit board and I suspect that there is some carbon on this PCB, so I will clean it. You see these carbon particles are here on this tissue paper, so you can clean it with any solvent also, but not water, and maybe some evaporated type solvent will be good, but don't use water or let it only try dry tissue paper. You see this one carbon. So let's see what happened. I reassemble it and let's see what happened. So I already assemble it. I fix it as I open it. So let's see it will work or no. I try it now. No, it's not working, and no any button also not working. The problem is still there. So let's see to do another step. I again open. I suspect the problem may be on this rubber pad type button, and I also already clean it and I tried it, but it's also no working. So I try to, because I already clean it, but I have to try another way. So because now I am waiting to watch my favorite program, I don't want to miss that program, and I try another solution. I found one coin, this aluminum coin, and I try to touch the on button position and I check this. I short this one. succeeded. Now it's on. You see now. Now it's working. So I check whether it is working or not working. I try to off this again. Oh, it's working. This trick is working because I have no other solution, because I have to watch my favorite program, and I tried with this coin to on my LED television. I again try whether it will work or no. Oh, it's working. So you can try it also, the similar procedure, if you have faced similar problem, or if similar problem occur, you can try the same. Okay, I again try and check. Oh, good. So it's mean that this rubber pad buttons are not working. The problem is there because I have no any alternative solution. I already clean. So that's it. So if you like this video, please do share, comment. I do hope that you will like. Please do subscribe my channel for any more videos if I find, or some similar solutions for any technical related. Thank you.